Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah, and then what happened? Yeah? Oh, just a sec. Yeah, hi, I'm Nancy, and if you don't know, I'm Sherry's assistant, and I handle her schedule and appointments and everything. Anyway, I'm gonna do troll time. Just give me one sec. Yeah, hold on one sec. Yeah, just a sec. This is gonna take very long, so I'm just gonna put you on hold. Okay. Right, okay, so today's troll is another one from YouTube, and those are always funny, aren't they? Anyway, this one, let's look at the video that this was under. It was one of Sherry's Halloween costume ideas in the YouTube Shorts. So here's the video.
If you have brown and orange and a microphone, you can be Pumpkin Spice and sing your way through your trick-or-treating.
Very, very cute, yeah? A very cute costume idea. And yeah, so then this person decided they needed to write this. So this person, of course, they don't have their name. They don't have their profile picture. They're totally anonymous as usual. Anyway, so their chosen name is Fire Demon 3663. Anyway, so Fire Demon 3663 says, "You are way too old for trick-or-treating, and even this app. Go back to the books, Grandma." Again, I don't even understand these people, like where the head is at. So out of curiosity, I took like a minute of my life, which again, I will not get this minute back, but whatever. Anyway, and I went and looked at their profile. As I said, there's nothing on there for them to show who they really are, because that's how trolls work, right? Anyway, they have 3 videos on the profile. They have like, I don't know, 5 or 6 subscribers. The interesting part, though, is that they have been on YouTube since 2013. So going by, like, let's say they were 13 then. They're 23 now, right? And that's being generous, I think. And, like, you're old enough to know better not to do this kind of stuff at that age, right? And also, you know, Sherry started her channel in like 2013. She put her first video, but of course she had her account since 2011. That's only 2 years longer than this person. And then she posted her first video in 2013. So they could actually be the same age, or this person could be even older than her. And I don't understand either. Why is it an insult to call someone a grandma? You know, Sherry's 50. And first of all, she's pretty fit and awesome for 50. You know, she takes care of herself. She does a workout every day. And that's a cool thing. If you think what she's doing is pretty awesome, you know. It's not an insult to be called old or a grandma. It really isn't, because you know what? It's a privilege to age, right? Not everybody has that privilege. And regardless of how old this person is, they definitely are old enough to know better. Also, what did they say? You're way too old for trick-or-treating. What the hell does that even mean? Sherry put out a whole bunch of last-minute costume ideas for you guys, and this person is thinking Sherry's going trick-or-treating. You know who she took trick-or-treating? Her kid and 2 of her kid's friends. Yeah? And just because maybe she wears a costume because it's fun, just because you turn 50 or 40 or 30 or 20, doesn't mean that you want to stop having fun at Halloween. I mean, Jesus, get a friggin' life, right? Get a life. Anyway, I don't really know what else to say about this person, but as always, it's another anonymous person who thinks, I don't know, they're being clever and it makes them feel good to write these crappy things. I don't get it. But as I said, regardless of how old you are, you should know better than to do this. And again, being anonymous and trolling online is just cowardly. Yeah, you're not a big person. You're not a big man, woman. I don't even know what this Fire Demon 3663. Like I said, we have no clue. But again, you're old enough to know better, so maybe it's time to start doing something yourself. And I don't see you creating videos and editing them and posting them and you know, helping people on your channel. So maybe zip your lip, yeah? Because Sherry's out here just trying to bring some positivity and showing people how to create their own unique style on a budget. And there ain't nothing wrong with that at all, right? Not at all. So I think I think we're just about done. And once again, Chantal has appeared, which I don't know why that happens all the time when I do Nancy, that Chantal shows up, but it does. So, so now Nancy's back, and she's gonna do the outro, okay? So stay safe, stay well, and from me, Nancy, and Refashionista Sherry, we will catch you on the zigzag. And yeah, don't ever think that you're too old to do anything, because you're not. You know, anybody can do whatever they want at any age. Okay, have a good day, and I'll go back to my call now. Yeah? Yeah? Oh, yeah? Yeah, that's what I told him too, yeah. Yeah.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.